British interests in colonial Malaya between 1786 and 1957 were confined mainly to developing the country's natural resources. To facilitate this, they built ports, infrastructure, and other public utilities. The growth of engineering in Malaysia dated back to the establishment of the Public Works Department in 1872. It created a great demand for technical staff to implement government projects. They also brought indentured labor from China and India to work tin mines, rubber and cocoa plantations, and forests, housing them in huts and shanties around the workplace. As urbanization took over the nation, the modernization of communication channels shortened distances, bridged the gaps, and brought the world together. While much of the old technologies were created from necessity, now scientists actively invent and turn discoveries into marketable products. This is best encapsulated in today's jargon as research and development.
The primary purpose of the Board of Engineers Malaysia is to regulate the engineering practice in the country. The vision of the board is to be a highly respected and authoritative body which ensures that public interest and safety is paramount in the delivery of engineering services.
Today's engineers are highly specialized professionals who adopt a multidisciplinary approach to their work. They have evolved from 5 main branches of civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical and industrial to aeronautical and aerospace, bioengineering and petroleum engineering.
Engineers must also keep abreast on advancement of engineering knowledge, and the board requires that engineers maintain a continuing professional development program.
Through their work, engineers have helped lay the foundation for greater socio-economic stability. It is therefore not surprising that engineering is sometimes referred to as the bedrock of nation building. Malaysia's urban development projects have won praises the world over. They have enhanced the quality of life for ordinary Malaysians in a manner generally thought of as unattainable.
Graduates from higher learning institutions entering into the engineering profession must have a degree from an accredited engineering program benchmarked to the world standard.
There has also been in recent years a heightened awareness for continuous engineering education to deal with the challenges of globalization.
Malaysia is a full signatory of the Washington Accord, which is a major agreement on engineering education standards. Other signatories include Japan, United States of America, Korea, Australia, and United Kingdom.
In order that Malaysian engineers can effectively compete in the tariff-free borderless international arena, they have to look to becoming entrepreneurs, exporting their services in the global environment. Malaysia has the distinction of having one of the finest road systems and airports in Asia. Malaysia's achievements in road building have enabled several contractors and engineering firms to make their mark abroad, exporting recent experiences, new technologies and expertise. This has paved the way for Malaysia to establish itself as a strong player in infrastructure development in the region. As Malaysia continues to head towards becoming an information-based knowledge economy, engineers are placed on the threshold of a brand new world of amazing opportunities. The new age engineering is based on continuous reinvention of the future for the common good of the industry, society, and the nation.
Engineering works have a direct impact to the public. As such, the board demands that the professional engineer take full regard to public interests as stipulated in our Code of Ethics.
Board of Engineers Malaysia, or BEM, is a statutory body regulating the practice of engineering in Malaysia. Its primary role is to facilitate the registration of all engineers and to regulate the practice of engineering to safeguard the safety and interest of the public. BEM assesses academic qualification of engineers and conducts professional development programs and examinations to promote the advancement of the registered engineers and the profession. BEM works closely with ministries, governmental bodies, local authorities and professional institutions and organizations involved in engineering in Malaysia.
The board is actively participating in setting the standard of international engineering practice. We co-founded the Engineers Mobility Forum, the ASEAN Chartered Professional Engineers, as well as the APEC Engineer Register.
BEM is committed to regulate the engineering profession so that it will continue to contribute significantly to the nation's growth and development. In this continuous search for engineering excellence at home and abroad, the engineer is expected to remain first and last a professional, one who is duty-bound to possess the expertise and commitment to act autonomously and responsibly when designing, building and maintaining engineering works for the use and convenience of mankind.